Hi, this is Caroline from Yoycol Marketing Department. In this video, I'll talk about some questions that have been frequently asked, things about what service Yoycol can provide, and about our product sizes, fabrics, and about our shipping and fulfillment time. If you have any more questions after this video, leave a comment below and I will answer them in time. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and get more information. First, let's talk about Yoycol. What can Yoycol do for me? Yoycol is a print-on-demand company that helps merchants to start online business in an easy way. We take care of the printing, packaging, and shipping so that you can focus on the fun part, creating designs and grow your business. Second, how will Yoycol charge me? It's completely free to use. Yoycol only charge you once you or your customers make orders which contain Yoycol products. The cost includes manufacturing, shipping, and tax. By the way, we don't charge tax currently. You could check payment amount when you make an order or check it in order details. And about our products. What products does Yoycol offer? Currently, there are 6 catalogs containing more than 700 items, including women's clothes, men's clothes, children's clothes, home, shoes, accessories, and so on. What is the size of products? Our clothes are in European and US size. Open product description and click size guide. You'll see the size detail which is shown in inch and centimeter. What fabrics is used? Main fabrics of clothes catalog are plasters and cotton. Main fabric of shoes catalog is PU, canvas, mesh, and rubber sole. Note: plaster is a kind of fabric that allows all the print technique works best. Where do products come from? Our fulfillment center is in China, but we provide global shipping. Yoycol has its own reliable factories with advanced printing machines, effective working lines, and high required quality control. Yoycol is committed to providing the most cost-effective products and has a complete quality control mechanism for product fabric and printing quality. Also, there are some products produced by long-term cooperation factories with high required quality control. Shipping and fulfillment. How long does fulfillment take? Fulfillment time refers to the time before shipment, excluding the shipping time. Usually, it takes 2 to 4 days for clothes, 5 to 7 days for home, 3 to 5 days for shoes, 8 to 12 days for accessories. Based on fulfillment time above, Yoycol provides more efficient commitment of the fulfillment time. How long will the shipping take? Mostly 7 to 15 days, but the time differs with region. You can also adopt faster shipping method if you want higher efficiency. Here's the detail. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.